So we've been partnering with the Passumpsic Bank and also the Northeast Kingdom Council on Aging to do the blizzard bags for several years now. What the blizzard bags do is they give them the meals ahead of time. So if there's a snow day, bad weather day, when they can't get their normal Meals on Wheels delivery, they've got that bag of non-perishable food. They fill about 500 bags, but it goes really fast. It's amazing how fast it goes.
As the executive director for the Northeast Kingdom Council on Aging, the blizzard bags have been a really wonderful way of working with the community to provide for those who are in need. And that has been a wonderful collaboration with Passumpsic Savings Bank and NVRH. I think that it takes a village to care for a village, and Passumpsic Bank is a great example of their efforts to do that with our blizzard bag program.
We do about 120 to 140 meals per day, and these folks rely on their meals, and this prevents any interruptions. Honestly, it's very nice to see, for them to do the volunteer work, to step from behind the counter and do the good work for the seniors. It's nice to see, and it's actually a lot of fun. There's a bit of camaraderie.
Here in Littleton, we have 200 Meals on Wheels clients across 9 neighboring towns, and most of them are in the rural area and hard to get to in the first place. Passumpsic brings in enough food for a day's worth of stable food, but we collect donations throughout the year or leading up to the cause, and then we're able to supplement the bags. So many times the recipient will have 2 or 3 days worth of stable food in this one project. There's such a great process, it's streamlined, and they do it so quickly, and they're always so happy and pleasant, and it's just a wonderful experience working with them.
I think where both organizations are really interested in healthy communities, prosperous communities, thriving communities. We really have, our missions are very much more closely aligned than people would probably think.
Passumpsic Bank. Start your adventure.